Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Today I want to do a project share with you for this cute little envelope book. Berry Crafty sent me a link showing me this. She knows that I have a lot of these cards. And so I made one. I may make another one. I have some videos that I've just messed them all up, so I'm just going to delete them and just do this project share with you so you can see how they are. So I made this cute little book. I really like. I even signed it. Handmade by Brandy. I guess I should have put left-handed crafter. I don't know. But you guys know who I am. Let me put one more thing. I guess I need to put, what is this? 11, 19. There we go. Now it's official. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll try to go over everything that I use. I use this for the cover, and it is from Echo Park. It's This Beautiful Life by Laura Passage, and it's called Damask, in case you're interested. And this is how the back looks. Actually, my back, the back on the other one has some like numbers on it. You can't see it, but it had numbers on it. So maybe the numbers are up further on the paper. I don't know. Then this little butterfly. Oh, you know, I always wanted in flight. And then you open it up, and this is where the cards come in. And the card pack that I use is Style Board by Crate Paper. It did not make the trip from the car to the house. Probably was more tore at the store too. So this is how it looks. It has these patterns on there, very cool patterns. You can do things with them. Now don't be fooled, this is not a unicorn, it's a horse, which is fine, you know. In the field of unicorns, be a horse, right? So this comes out like this. And this is stuck down with some tape, so you know the adhesive will be there until the adhesive stops working. And then this is a little sticker, which is really cute. It's a butterfly, a bird, and some flowers. And then you see this says lovely. Then I glued this down. And this is another Project Life card that I just turned on the other side as keys. And I made a tag using some playing cards. So, you know, you can glue this down or whatever you want to do. I just thought that would be cool with these blank pages. And then this is like the center. Oh, then we have the birds. I was like, what's going on? That's not the center page. We have some birds right here. Really cute. And this comes from the Bo Bunny paper. Bo Bunny ephemera. It's called, what is it called? I don't know what it's called. Noteworthy. So I just used some pieces from there. You know, they make things so much so now that you can kind of grab stuff from all over and make a whole kit yourself if you're into that. It says good times right here. Life happens, and you can write down. And all these are glued down. So this is a book, not a book that you can take apart and do whatever you want with it. It is supposed to be used as is. And then this is the, you know, I usually have one solid page of nothing, but I decided to put some things on here. This is glued down, so you can't take this up either, but you can put something underneath if you wanted to, like say if you want to put a Julie Nutting doll stamp underneath and move on, you could do that, I suppose. And I stamped out with this cute little stamp. It's a hard stamp, and it says 1 cent, and you guys know I'm like into stamps. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving this book away actually to whoever wants it. All you gotta do is leave a comment down below letting me know what is your favorite Thanksgiving meal. Your favorite dish, your favorite thing to do on Thanksgiving, whatever you like to do for Thanksgiving. I feel like we've kind of glossed over Thanksgiving, so let's just put it back where it needs to be, in between Halloween and Christmas. Another little tag right here. This is probably the only piece you could pull it up is take down. So if you want to destroy the book, you could just pull it all apart. I glued this together with some wet glue. I put a spine on here, and then I just covered it up with one sheet, you know, like a cheat like that. So yes, the drawing, this video will post whatever day it posts, and it will go from today, whatever day it is today, until Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. And I will do a drawing that Saturday, I guess, and post it when you have 24 hours to contact me from the time that video post, okay? Even if we are friends and we talk every day, I still need for you to send an email like the people that I don't talk to every day, just because it makes it fair. Now, if you say, hey, I know I won, send me my stuff, that's the same as contacting me, unless you've moved and your address has changed or something like that. So again, I want to say thank you all for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting me and all my weirdness that I do, the crazy stuff, the randomness, everything that makes me who I am. I appreciate you for not judging me too loudly. I appreciate you for your watching these crazy things that I come up with in my head and making them happen. I did get this inspiration from Heidi Swap. I think I already said that, but I'm going to link her information in the description box or iCard, because I don't want anyone to think that I made this up myself. I didn't. I saw it. I wanted to try it, and I did it. I will be making another one soon. Not today because my knee is throbbing, but I will be making another one soon. So now that I've off my little random tangent, whatever, thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.